Welcome. A quick one on this based on the episode 13. Given that P is a force of 7 Newton in a direction of 60 degrees, we are to express this in the form AI plus BJ, where A and B are scalars. So this is in the Cartesian world coordinate form. So if I have this, P equals to 7 Newton in the direction of 30 degrees, I can translate this into the vector component form with 7 sine of the angle 60 being the x coordinate, then 7 the cos of the angle 60 being the y component. Then we work that on our calculator to see their respective values. Okay, so let's check the first y component. Can we make it in the decimal forms will be let's go for 7 root 3 divided by 2 for the x component. Then we check that of the y component and see that will be 7 on what? 2. These are forces in the x and y component form, that is the vector component form. But we are looking for that in the ij component form. So this will be equals to 7 root 3 over 2i plus, because this is positive, 7 over 2j, all in what? Newton. So if you move it into the vector component form, you can easily translate it into what? The Cartesian coordinate form. So this is the answer we are looking for from here to here. Resolution of what? Forces. I guess concept is grasped, right? Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.